In this video, we'll walk you through how to turn on and view your coordinates in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. If you find this video helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Coordinates in Minecraft are incredibly useful. They help you track your location in the world, find specific places, and make it easier to return to important spots like your base, villages, or strongholds. To enable coordinates, start by pausing the game and selecting Settings. From the menu on the left, go down to the Game tab and look for the option that says Show Coordinates. It should be in this World Options area right here. Simply toggle this setting on. Now when you back out, in the top left you'll have your coordinates. And that's it. You've now successfully enabled coordinates in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Minecraft tips. Also, this is a beautiful looking landscape. Oh my gosh. Thanks for watching. See you next time.